last video, I realized that I did make it seem like they were the same vegetable, aubergine and courgette, eggplant, zucchini. Yeah, didn't mean that. And so getting strappy about something is like throwing a temper tantrum, I assume. Like acting like a 4-year-old, like, I'm not doing it. Who doesn't do that about Monopoly? It's so long. Come to think of it, I don't think that I have ever finished a game of Monopoly or Risk. I don't even know how they end. So my brother still keeps trying to get me to play Risk, though. I just don't have the patience for it. Okay, so your question about going steady. So going steady is like dating the same one person steadily for a long amount of time. So it's pretty much having a boyfriend or a girlfriend. No one really says going steady anymore. It's just like, we don't walk up and be like, hey, you guys going steady? No, it's just, are you guys together? We say that, are you guys together? But, yeah, random round of the day. Daylight savings time ended in November. I'm still not used to this stupid time change. Hate daylight savings time. And then they go and extend it? I've been thinking a lot about accents and why Americans don't have an English accent. Why we kind of have our own little things since we came over from England. I have a neutral kind of accent. In Utah, we have our kind of own where we don't say T's that are in the middle of the word, like mountain and hunter. But I fight against that because I hate that. So I try extremely hard to say mountain and hunter. And any other T in the middle of the word you can think of. I try really hard. Sometimes I don't succeed, but yes. So I was thinking about that, and I asked some people why that happened, and someone told me that back before we came over, that there wasn't really an accent in England. It was more like the neutral one that we have here. And it was just developed over, and that kind of made a little more sense to me because of the different accents that there are, and also that we have several different countries here that have different accents, so we kind of pick up on all of them. So that made a little more sense. But then I asked someone else, and they said that when we came over after the revolution, that we wanted to change everything. So, like me fighting against my Utah accent, the Americans fought against their British accents and just kind of sharpened everything, and then that developed into Southern and New Jersey and what other accents do we have here? Southern and Jersey accents. But that also made a little more sense because, we changed everything, like we drive on the right side of the road, we changed measurements, weight, and speech too. So that also made a little bit of sense. So my question for you this week is, what have you heard and what are your theories, or what do you know about that? And yeah,